Hi, this is Joe. Welcome back to the shop. This week we're going to start on a trailer remodel. Picked up this trailer. It's someone did a custom build. They took a trailer frame and they built a covered trailer, and it is leaking on the top, and it has some pretty heavy plywood on it, so we're going to strip everything down to the frame. We're going to flap wheel and clean up the frame and paint it, and paint the interior. Interior is 1.5-inch tube. We're going to clean that up, paint it, and then we're going to reskin with a lighter plywood and put the aluminum flap wheel it down and paint it, clean it up, use it as a small utility trailer and possibly a small camping trailer. So we're going to start this week with this project and let you see how the progress proceeds on the trailer. So here we go. We have the trailer pretty much stripped down to bare frame. As you noticed, a lot of the plywood underneath was all rotted because what happened is where it was sealed up at the top, they screwed the screws into the plywood, and eventually over time it rotted out and separated, and water came down the sides and rotted a lot of the plywood. So the last piece I want to take off is there's a piece of plywood on the base. I'm going to remove that, and then we're going to start flap wheeling and cleaning the trailer, getting it all ready for prime and paint. Probably pull the wheels off so I can get easy access to the axle. So stay tuned for more. We're just about ready to start remodeling, but initially I have a little bit more to clean up and then we'll be ready.